Hi friends, welcome to the channel Dinners. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. There is a news for you. In 2019, they have posted 503 vacancies and they conducted an online CBT exam. Now, from that exam, they have listed 3 times of the required post as a waitlist candidates. So, total waitlist candidates number is 1509. In that, undeserved category 657 with the cutoff mark of 123.33. Then OBC candidates, waitlisted candidates number 369 with the cutoff mark of 117.667. SC waitlisted number is 96 candidates with the cutoff mark of 108.33. Same way, economically weaker section, they have listed 189 candidates as a waitlisted and with the cutoff mark of 109.00. So total number of waitlisted candidates is 1509 for the post of 503. As you know, this is a COVID situation and Delhi is affected very badly. So further recruitment process is very difficult. So I think they will take more staff from this waiting list. So for that they told to upload your documents in AIIMS website. Out of these 1500 candidates, 131 candidates need to upload their documents. Only 131 candidates out of 1500 candidates need to upload their documents, and their list is given with the AIIMS notice. So details you can check here. So you need to log in with your user ID and password. Then you will reach to my page in AIIMS website. There will be an option to upload your documents. So AIIMS examination section will verify your documents. Then if it is required, they will call from this list according to your merit. So best wishes, please upload your documents. I will give you a detailed description here. Please go through that.
First, you need to type AIIMS exams in your browser. AIIMS exams. Then you need to go to the result http www.aimsexams.org. In that, you need to go to recruitments tab. Recruitment tabs, that is the middle one. Click recruitment tab. Then scroll down and you will see nursing officer. Nursing officer, you click that. Then one notice is there, new, a blinking notice is there, new nursing officer 2019 for AIIMS New Delhi and for central government hospitals. You click that link. Then it will go to another tab, that is the login tab. If you have if you know your user ID, then you can type it there, or else there one link is there, click here to get your login credential. This is a applicant login page. Candidate ID you need to type and your password, then enter that captcha given there, then login. Before that, 2 announcements are there. Important notice regarding qualified candidates to extend the 3 times of the number of advertised seats for nursing officer 2019. Important notice for regarding the panel of upload documents for nursing officer. First notice we will see. This refers to note wide number F108-2019 establishment dated 10th June 2020 received from recruitment cell for provide complete extended wait list for nursing officer after declaring the final result notification. The merit list contains all candidates who have been found to be qualified extent of 3 times of the number of seats advertised against the number of vacancies in each category mentioned in the vacancy notice published in the examination leading newspaper dated 1st August 2019. Then examination. Then there was they mentioned total wait list of 657 unreserved categories, 189 EWS categories, 369 OBC categories, like that. Total 1509 posts they have waitlisted candidates they are given in this notice 1509. Total vacancy was there 503. So that is the 3 times of the total vacancy 1509. So here you can see for unreserved category 657 they selected 657 candidates they waitlisted for cutoff mark 122.33. Like that, EWS 189 candidates selected cutoff mark 109. The category candidates who have claimed any relaxation except government service as applicable to the particular category are placed on the merit of their respective category. These candidates have been indicated by star mark. This is the overall merit list of the qualified candidates in each category in the extent of the 3 times the number of advertised seats. Amongst those have appeared to the online CBT mode examination on 15th August 2019. So we will see the next notice. So this is another notice in reference to memorandum number F108 2019 establishment recruitment section dated 10th June 2020 of recruitment cells AIIMS New Delhi. The panel to upload documents for e-document verification will be open from 27th June to 10th July 2020 up to 5 o'clock for nursing officer 2019 of AIIMS New Delhi. Only candidates as per list attached hereby are allowed to upload the required documents on AIIMS website. Candidates should log in to their My Page using login credential used for registration to upload the required documents. Please visit the website aimsexams.org as all important notices will only be uploaded on the website. Now we can check what are the details or documents they needed to upload it. First one is, this is a standard self-declaration form. The candidates has to sign and mention the date and place. Then upload this form first. Next, candidates need to upload date of birth certificate, that is your SSLC or 10th certificate, and educational qualification certificates, followed by registration certificate, nursing registration certificate, then experience certificates for GNM candidates. Experience certificates required only for GNM candidates. BSc nursing candidates not required to upload experience certificate. And next one is NOC for government employees or current working employees required to submit NOC, no objection certificate, from the current working employer. Next, for reserved candidates, a caste certificate should be uploaded. SC, ST, OBC candidates need to upload their caste certificate. For EWS certificate also need to upload their EWS certificate, recent EWS certificate, the details given here. For physically handicapped certificates also required for PWD candidates. Then candidates has to upload AIIMS registration certificate, a copy of AIIMS registration certificate and admit card of the online exam. Then one ID proof and photo, passport size photo and signature. These are the certificates required to upload. And one more, thumb impression. So these are the documents uploaded by candidates. And then here are 131 candidates list are mentioned here for uploading candidates. These candidates only need to upload their certificates. 131 candidates. After exclusion of earlier selected candidates, the following 62 unreserved candidates will be considered against unreserved category. EWS 6 numbers, OBC 36 numbers, and SC 17, ST 10 numbers. For unreserved category, the cutoff mark is 127.33. EWS category cutoff mark is 117, and for OBC candidates the cutoff mark is 123, and for SC candidates the cutoff mark is 119.33, and final ST candidates the cutoff mark is 116. So these candidates has to upload their required certificates in AIIMS website. So this is the login page, candidates ID, password and captcha. Then you will see my page. In there one option will be there,
Upload certificates. My page, then upload certificates. Here is an example. This is my page. After login, then that new uploaded certificates. You go to that link, then option will come like this. So you need to upload each certificate here. Signature format you should be check. So like that you can upload. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and share.